PuddingFishCakes here, and thank you so much for tuning in today. I know it's been a little while since my last video, but I decided to take a little break from YouTube to focus on school and work the past few months. I'm currently going through my last year of university, which has been insane. But I'm back home now for the holidays, and I was kind of going through some of my old things and reorganizing, and I came across these boxes and boxes of charms that I've made over the years. And that got me really inspired to get back into crafting and back to making videos. So I filmed a couple videos this week, which I finally got around to editing, and I'm so excited to share them with you. Today I'll be showing you all how to make this Pusheen in a donut charm made out of Polymer clay. And I'm so happy with how this one turned out, and I hope you like it too. Let's get into the tutorial.
Start with some gray polymer clay and use your hands to soften it. Then shape that into a ball and pinch into an egg shape. Pinch the tips into ears like so. For the donut, take some beige colored clay and roll it into a long log. Cut off one of the ends with an X-Acto knife and wrap it around the belly of our cat. Carefully cut off any excess and smooth that in with your fingertips. Next, we're going to make the pink icing. Flatten a sheet of pink clay and cut out a wavy pattern like so, and add that onto our donut. Now let's add on the cat's stripes, whiskers, facial features, and paws. Lastly, let's add on the sprinkles. Finally, if you'd like to make this into a charm, insert an eye pin and it's ready to be baked. Place your creation on parchment paper and bake using the instructions on your clay package. I'm baking mine at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Once that's out of the oven, let your charm cool completely before adding on a coat of glaze for a glossy shine. Let that dry and you're finished!
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that tutorial. One of my favorite parts about making these videos is seeing what you guys are making, so I would love to see your creations. If you do end up following this tutorial, make sure to tag me on Instagram so I can see them. The winner to the last video's giveaway has also been announced on my Instagram, so definitely check that out. I'll put a link to that in the description box below, and thank you all so much again for watching. I love you all, and I will see you next time. Bye!